How to transfer money from Monzo to Halifax. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from Monzo to Halifax. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To transfer money from Monzo to Halifax, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Log in to the Monzo app using your PIN or biometric authentication. Step 2. Go to the Payments tab. From the Monzo app's main screen, tap on the Payments tab at the bottom. Step 3. Choose Pay by Bank Transfer. Under the Payments section, tap on Bank Transfer or Pay by Bank Transfer. Step 4. Add Halifax account details. If it's your first time sending money to Halifax, select Add a new payee. Then enter the recipient's Halifax account name, sort code, and account number. Step 5. Enter the amount to transfer. Input the amount you want to send from your Monzo account to the Halifax account. Step 6. Confirm and send the money. Review the details. Then tap on Send to complete the transfer. Step 7. Receive confirmation. You will receive a confirmation screen and Monzo may send you a notification when the money is sent. So that's how you can transfer money from Monzo to Halifax. That's all for this video.